All right. This is Brandon from the future. This tuberose, it's like that. We'll be getting a bottle. That's all you need to know. Catch this review. Welcome back to the InScentive Collection, Tesla edition. And today, tuberose. What's a tuberose? I don't know. But does it smell good? We're about to find out as soon as I unsheathe this thing. Okay, so we got more of an ambery color here. Not bad. Not bad. I'm curious. Let's go ahead and get it into the spirit. All right, there it is. That one took some time. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Ah, yes, this is interesting. This is interesting. What is a tuberose? It smells pretty damn good, I tell you that. Ah, it does lean slightly feminine, I must say. We got white florals, tuberose, aromatic, sweet, animalic, woody, yellow, floral, herbal, and citrus. And it all comes together to be something quite freaking fantastic. I can smell, this is familiar. I really freaking like this. This is pretty freaking great. I can't stop smelling it. You know, that's usually part of it. Part of that what makes the collection. Gosh, this is amazing. Oh gosh. Okay, let's see what's inside of the notes. See what we can find here. Gosh, man, I think it's probably the tuberose. I did read that was part of the notes. Gosh, big fan here, big fan. Oh, I can't wait. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Here go the notes. Ylang-Ylang, orange blossom, Artemisia, sweet orange. All different notes, all notes I've never smelled before. Hidden into the middle notes, tuberose, the star. Gardenia, maybe that's what I'm smelling. Jasmine, marigold. All things that I've smelled gardenias before, and it's funny, I was just talking on the phone with my mom. Shout out to Mom, it's Mother's Day. Hi, Mom. I was just talking to my mom about gardenias and how beautiful they smell. Base notes, we have amber, vetiver, musk, and sandalwood. Listen, I'm buying this. This smells so damn good. Gosh, man. This is what I'm talking about. This is nice, man. This is nice. This is nice. Gosh, man. Anyway, have you guys tried tuberose? What do you think? Do you love it as much as I do? I just can't get enough of this. Get in the comment section. What is it that I'm smelling in this fragrance? What note is it that I'm smelling that has me so enamored right now? Why do I love this so much? That's the unboxing. Blind unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Please get in the comment section. Have you smelled this? Is there anything like this? I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.